Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I will be discussing a very important trick from the condensed matter physics, or you can say the solid state physics topic. So it will be related to the topic lattice vibrations. I hope you all know about it that mainly in lattice vibrations topic, we talk about the two types of branches. One is the optical branch, another one is the acoustical branch. But the point is how we will get to know whether the optical branch is existing somewhere or the acoustical branch is existing. So for that, I will be doing the discussion today in this video. Before starting the discussion, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, please guys subscribe the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And if you will be finding this video helpful for you, so you can even share it with all your friends and help them in their preparation too. Clear? Now let's talk about it. So basically guys, before telling you about this unique trick to know about the optical or acoustical mode presence in any case, you need to understand the dispersion relation. I will be talking about it during the trick discussion too. So guys, basically what is the dispersion relation I'm going to consider here? So it will be the relation between omega and k. What is this omega? Omega will be the angular frequency, and what is this k? K will be the wave vector. So basically the omega k relation is known as the dispersion relation. Okay, in general, in this topic we will be considering it, and with the help of the dispersion relation we will be finding the answer for the trick. So guys, now the point is, when we talk about the lattice vibrations, mainly we consider the 1D monoatomic lattice vibration and 1D diatomic lattice vibrations for our CSIR, Net Physics exam, GATE exam, JEST exam, TIFR exam. So you can expect the questions from these two different type of lattice vibrations topic. And even along with that, we consider different cases and conditions. So we will be talking about that when we will discuss the lattice vibrations in detail. And if you want that discussion, you can mention it in the comments. So now let's talk about it. What will be the trick to know about the optical branch or acoustical branch? So the first thing is, as you will be familiar with the, with the dispersion relation. And what is the dispersion relation? Dispersion relation is the omega's expression in terms of k, or omega k relation is known as the dispersion relation. Okay, that's what we are considering here too. Now in this case, like as I have told you about the 1D monoatomic lattice, 1D diatomic lattice cases. So generally what you will have the dispersion relations for both. Clear? And that's what you need to prepare. Clear? Now in this case, in this dispersion relation, what you will do, you will put k equal to 0. In any given relation, if you will be putting k 0, now there are two possibilities. As k is present in omega's expression, so either it will be making omega 0 or it will be giving you the omega non-zero. Clear? There are two different possibilities. As I'm going to tell you that when you will say it is optical branch and when you will be saying it is acoustical branch. So optical is itself having O in it, which is similar to 0. Clear? So if you are already getting equal to 0, which means you don't need it in the optical branch, it is already having a O or similar to 0 term there. So non-zero case will be for optical branch, and the omega equal to 0 if you are getting, this is for the acoustical branch. Done? So this is how you can consider. O was already there, which looks like 0. You will not need more zeros there. Okay, but it is not having the first alphabet as 0. So you are getting 0 and you will be saying like, okay, I'm getting omega 0. I will say it is acoustical branch. Omega non-zero, it is optical branch. Clear? So simply by putting the k value in the dispersion relation, by checking which condition you are getting, you can relate it in this way. And the trick here is that optical is already having 1 0 in it. So to make or to balance them, okay, and this is mainly the first alphabet, so having the more impact on that term. But in this case, it was not the first alphabet of this term or the word. So you are getting 0, you will say it's acoustical. It needs more 0 to have great impact. And this one was already having it. So non-zero will be representing the optical branch. Now I will be sharing some important updates with all of you guys. So guys, in this case, like I'm going to tell you about the offer going on Unacademy Plus first of all. So there is an offer going on right now, clear? So if you were waiting to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, or you want to take the subscription right now, so you can go for it, because right now if you will be taking the 6-month subscription, you will be getting the 1 month extra for the CSR UGC net category subscription. And guys, if you will be taking the 12-month subscription, you will be getting the 2 months extra. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which will give you the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. That is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Okay, I hope it will be clear to you. And this offer is just going on right now. For this month, we are going to have it. Okay, so before 31st July, you can take the subscription. Now, let me just tell you what are the benefits you will get if you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. So there are going to be new batches starting every week by the top educators. With the help of these batches, these new courses, you can take your preparation to a very good level, and in less time, you can prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Along with that, guys, one more thing, that is, if you will be taking the subscription, you will have many courses, like you can attend any of those courses by the top educators, and you can prepare very well for the exam. And in each and every course, after some number of sessions, we are going to have the doubt clearing sessions too. So let's say you have attended some session and you are still having some doubt in some of the topics. So what you can do, you can ask about those doubts in the doubt clearing session, and that's how everything will get clear to you. Another important thing is, for example, somebody has taken the subscription today, and there is any course which is already going on. So the previous classes recordings, if they want to check, if you want to check, you can check it out. And that's how you will be able to cover up each and everything, and you will not miss anything. And you can continue with the live sessions of that course if you are finding that important and helpful for you. So this is how, guys, with all these important things, you will be able to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Another important update here is that from 15th July, there can be a price hike in the Unacademy Plus subscription amount. So if you are planning to take the subscription, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription right now. And whenever you will be taking the subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. And by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. If you will take the subscription right now, you can get the offer, which is on 6 months subscription, you will be getting 1 month extra. On 12-month subscription, you will be getting the 12 months, you will be getting the 2 months extra. Clear? Another thing is, it is applicable for both Plus and the Iconic subscriptions. Clear? This offer is applicable for both. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video till the end. I hope it was helpful for you. I will keep on providing you more tricks, more topics, more concepts and questions on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. So you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and also click on the bell icon after that, so that you will keep on getting the notifications for the new videos I will be uploading on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Thank you, everyone.